Finding a job as a caregiver in the UK and Europe can be both exciting and challenging. Your CV serves as the first impression you make on potential employers. It is a snapshot of your professional life, showcasing your skills, experiences, and unique qualities. The competitive nature of the caregiving field means that employers receive numerous applications for each position. To ensure your CV doesn't get lost in the shuffle, it needs to be both compelling and well-structured. A good CV can open doors to interviews and ultimately job offers. Consider your CV as a marketing tool. It should clearly convey the value you bring as a caregiver. By understanding what employers are looking for, you can tailor your CV to meet their expectations. In this guide, we'll explore the essential components of a Caregiver CV that have been successful in the UK and Europe. Can further set you apart from other candidates. Creating a successful Caregiver CV involves understanding the essential components that employers look for. A structured format ensures that your information is presented clearly and professionally. The CV should begin with personal information at the top, allowing employers to easily identify and contact you. Next, include a professional summary. This section should provide a brief overview of your career achievements and goals. Following this is the key skills section, where you list the skills that are most relevant to caregiving. Your work experience section should be detailed, listing your previous roles in reverse chronological order. Each entry should include your job title, employer, and key responsibilities. Use bullet points for clarity and conciseness. By organizing your CV in this manner, you create a document that is both informative and easy to navigate. Section 4. Personal information and professional summary. The beginning of your CV should include your personal information. This consists of your full name, contact number, email address, and current location. Ensure that your email address is professional, avoiding personal nicknames or informal language. Following your personal details, the professional summary should capture the reader's attention. This brief paragraph is your opportunity to make a strong first impression. Highlight your key accomplishments, focusing on aspects that showcase your dedication and ability as a caregiver. Tailor the summary to match the specifics of the job description. A well-written professional summary sets the tone for the rest of your CV. It should convey confidence and professionalism, providing a snapshot of your career highlights. Section 5. Highlighting key skills and work experience. The key skills section of your CV is where you list competencies that are crucial to the caregiving role. Think about the skills that make you effective in your work, such as empathy, communication, and problem solving. Be sure to tailor this list to each job you apply for, emphasizing the skills that align with the employer's requirements. In the work experience section, detail your previous caregiving roles. Start with your most recent position and work backwards. For each role, include your job title, the name of the organization, and the dates of employment. Underneath each entry, use bullet points to describe your responsibilities and achievements. Mention any responsibilities that demonstrate leadership, initiative, or specialized care. Quantifying your achievements provides tangible evidence of your capabilities. Section 6. Education, certifications, and references. Your education and certifications section should highlight your academic background and any professional training relevant to caregiving. Include the name of the institution, the degree or certification obtained, and the dates attended. For caregivers, certifications such as CPR, first aid, or specialized training in dementia care can be particularly impressive. This section not only showcases your qualifications, but also demonstrates your commitment to professional development. Employers appreciate candidates who continually seek to improve their skills and knowledge. If you have attended workshops or obtained additional certifications, be sure to include these as well. References are often requested by employers to verify your experience and reliability. If the job posting asks for references, include them at the end of your CV. Provide the name, position, and contact information for each reference, ensuring you have received their consent beforehand. Section 7. Final touches and motivating call to action. As you prepare to submit your CV, consider the final touches that can make it stand out. First, ensure that it is concise and to the point, ideally no longer than 2 pages. Tailor your CV to each job application, adjusting the content to highlight the most relevant skills and experiences. Proofread your document meticulously to avoid any spelling or grammatical errors. Using a professional template can enhance the presentation of your CV, making it visually appealing and easy to navigate. Save your CV as a PDF to maintain formatting across different devices and platforms. This ensures that your document appears professional and polished when opened by employers. Finally, take action by applying the tips you've learned. Craft your CV with care, focusing on the details that will captivate potential employers.